policing will have to include now this, because we are not far from where these doctors at that Al Falah University were doing this, and they were taking cars with bombs in them. They were going to, and that guy was wrecking.
Can I defend Al Falah? Can I defend Al Falah?
No, please. Why are you defending Al Falah?
No. I think, look, there is something called...
He's a Jan ke na.
No. This isn't me being a contrarian. I think it is very important we understand that universities will always be a node for radicalization in some form or the other.
Yeah, this was not radicalization.
Please, this was not.
This was terrorism.
Can let me finish?
Radicalization of thought is different.
Yeah,
bombing and doing.
What is this fascist podcast?
This
right-wing
mass
fascist
murder.
podcast. This neo-Nazi podcast isn't letting me talk. So, यूनिवर्सिटीज होश ज्यादा होता है.
तो जो मेरे को टैग कर रहे हैं ना कि मैं अभिजीत की दोस्त हूँ, just see, I do try to shut him up.
And before you say, he's actually justifying भटके हुए youth. He's actually justifying it.
भटके हुए नौजवान.
नौजवान, sorry.
So these भटके हुए नौजवान find it very easy to get into the universities, camouflage themselves under the guise of radicalism and things like that, and invariably you will find recruits out there. I think Al Falah is the classic case of that. There is a reason the government hasn't shut it down. And I think, this is pointless, like shutting down JU and sacking Anand.
That
just because of all the naras.
Anand will be sacked if there's a change of government.
I think day one, I have always believed
that, be like the Trump this thing.
That Anand is the male version of Romila Thapar. I mean, he dresses. Tell me somebody dressed like this.
Can I respond or?
Yeah. उसको बोलने दो ना बेचारे को. हाँ बोलो यार बेचारा.
नहीं यार देखो दो तीन चीजें हैं. In one sense,
radical इस्लाम वाली शुरू हो जाएगा.
नहीं वो मैं पिछले 3 पॉडकास्ट से बोल चुका हूँ. Nobody listens to me.
रोमिलेश
General Direwal. But
now that insults are coming out.
See, General Dyer.
आज से ये गालीदास नहीं है. ये General Dyer है. Dyer. Are you going to use that now?
I'm going to use General Dyer.
General Dyer. Please tweet on that also.
हाँ तो क्या बोल रहा है?
हाँ यार देखो
Radical का बोलो.
लोगों को रेडिकल बता के मैं तो थक गया कि नहीं है, वो अलग बात नहीं है. पॉइंट है वो रेडिकल हो रहे हैं, है ना. अगर आप मान लो कि देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड रेडिकलाइजेशन, यू आर हैविंग रेडिकल पीपल अराउंड अस. देयर आर जर्नलिस्ट जो स्ट्रैटेजी बदलती रहती हैं. देयर आर what does Shivarur call someone? Saidi RJ.
No. This was Aditya Raj called Jaish-e-Mohammed sleeper cell.
Sleeper cell.
Jaish-e-Mohammed.
I call them
intellectual sleeper cell.
I call them wait-listed fidain.
ISEC.
Wait-list में आया कहते हैं अभी नहीं बाद में.
That's it.
But the point is कि ये radicalization तब होता है when you've given the entire community an upper hand through appeasement. And the Hindu community is being discriminated against. जब वो हटा लोगे उनको भी पता चल जाएगा हम सब सेम हैं. ये रिलीजन का इशू है ही नहीं, ये जस्टिस का इशू है. मैं ये बोल के थक गया. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई रियली वांट टू डिस्कस दिस जो वैष्णो देवी हॉस्पिटल ऑफ एक्सीलेंस के साथ जो हुआ है. इट्स अ कैलामिटी दैट हैज हैपेंड. यू हैव स्कोर्स ऑफ मुस्लिम एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, सेमिनरीज वेयर यू गेट 100% डोनेशंस from Muslims and 100% seats are reserved for Muslims. Here you had Institute of Medical Excellence, Sri Mata Vaishno Devi, made through 100% donations by Hindus and reserved 84% seats for Muslims. Now, if it was government sponsored, it is Vaishno Devi University is, there is no issue. Out here, even here I am saying, you want to do it, then you don't have reservations for SC/ST in this excellence. Number one, that's illegal, by the way, but that was happening. Number two, someone please explain to me that you have a 100% Jamia Millia Islamia, 100% funded by the central government. Crores, hundreds of crores, and 50% seats are reserved for Muslims.
I'll explain that.
And when you talk about it is your moral obligation to provide reservation to the downtrodden, underprivileged, Dalits, ये वो. Someone please explain कि 1% reservation में नहीं है Dalits की इन institutes में, AMU में क्यों नहीं है? तो they have been fed on this notion that they are above. 370 का continuance भी यही था. हम अलग हैं, हमें ज़्यादा rights चाहिए, हमें वक्फ का एक्ट चाहिए जो कि हिंदूज के पास एक्ट नहीं है. बोर्ड रखना है रख लो, What explains in the last 10 years you have 20 lakh acres of land? Yeah? Why should there be a separate tribunal, legislature, executive working for you? Why should you have no control over your mosque but Hindus temple should be controlled? तो unequal society जब आपने बना दी, आपने ये फीड कर दिया उनको कि हमारे पास जरा सा भी कुछ होता है विक्टिमहुड आ जाता है कि वी आर above everyone else. That is the root cause of radicalization.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.